Hello, my name is Jim Earl Sionsai from the IT24 and I will teach you how to download Java JDK. First, go to search bar, type CMD. When you are here at the command prompt, type Java version. As you can see, what appears is that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. And then we type the Java version. See, just the same, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. So another way to check is let's go to the control panel. Click Program and Features. We don't see any Java installed, even if we search. So let's download Java JDK. Go to Google Chrome. And just type Java JDK download. Click this. So here, what OS is on our laptop? For example, Windows. Click this. Let's download it. Click this link. Right click, show in folder. Right click again and choose run as administrator. Just click next. So we're done installing Java. Go to the folder where Java is installed. These are the Java binary files. And next step, copy this folder. Type environment. Click again environment variables. So we will create a Java system. For example, I put here Java underscore home. Go back to the folder. Click on this and copy. Put it here. We now have a Java home system. Once you click on the path, click again to add a new one. Just copy this. When you paste it, just move it to the top. When at the top, click OK. Go to search bar and type CMD. Let's check in the command prompt if the installation is effective. So the version we downloaded is now appearing on the screen. And let's type this one. The next step is to see if the Java program will work. This is the program I made. I just copied it. Here in the file name, put hellohunsai.java here. Then save it. Once you save it, go back to the file, right-click, and select Properties. Just copy it. Type the CD first and then paste it here. So we need to compile the Java first before we can run it. So this means our Java installation was successful. I hope you learned something from my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.